Sa Salagon, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Salagon High School CTP unit, headed by the Troop Commander G.R. Simpson, Joseph Ponto, S1, Marian Cases, or Marian Casases, S2, Art Alay, Kyra Calero, S4, Major Leader, Jessica May Williams, DAC Leader, Edmard Cortez, Company Commander, Jillian Rain, Campanenso, Jobert Sapa, First Patrolling Boys, Nas Pahayahay, Second Patrolling Girls, Hazel Budulio, Principal, Edgar Clarino, Doctor of Education, CTP Facilitator, Marico Abad and Joel Iser, Leader General Coordinator, Lani Itane and Michelle Hope Reyta, Easy Coordinator, Lani Ikamen and Alma Agla. Ladies and gentlemen, our next entry from Salagon High School, Alice Abarwan, San Jose, Camarines Sur.